अभी अभी हमें सूचना मिली है, खबर मिली है कि मंत्री जी, द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री श्री पीयूष गोयल जी को कुछ अर्जेंट मीटिंग में जाना पड़ रहा है, तो वो अवेलेबल नहीं होंगे। लेकिन हमारे साथ वी हैव अ जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी श्री विमल आनंद जी who will be gracing, who's already here, and he'll be inaugurating the gate and the infrastructure. So before that, may I just request for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. So may I invite all the dignitaries towards the lamp near the dais. The ceremonial lighting of the lamp. I request everyone not to come in front of the camera so that we can capture these moments into the memory banks to cherish and relish them later. A big round of applause, everybody. हमारे भारतीय परंपरा के अनुसार सभी देवों को उनका आह्वान करते हुए may this zone be blessed always with prosperity. What a wonderful, wonderful moment. And today, of course, marks a proud chapter in the journey of Noida Special Economic Zone, which is India's one of the earliest and most iconic special economic zones. A space where exports, enterprise, innovation have flourished for decades. And what better way to inaugurate the redevelop infrastructure here with the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. तालियां देवियों सज्जनों रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। आप सबकी मेहनत है, आपका जोन है। आई एम श्योर ये आपके भावों से प्रतीत भी होता है, बट thankfully, the weather gods have also been kind. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. आप इससे बेहतर कर सकते हैं, और बेहतर, जोर से, louder please. Wonderful. Thank you so much. Wonderful. May the light always shine on all of us and on the zone. May this light lead the way for even greater business and the expansion of trade and commerce for India, taking us into the golden period leading to 2047, the Amrit Kal, the vision. So, thank you so much to all the dignitaries for doing the honors. And as India steps boldly into Amrit Kal, this golden period leading to 2047, we are here to witness not just an inauguration, but an evolution of vision, infrastructure, sustainability, and scale. And to commence this evening's celebration, I would like to invite our very dynamic and respected Development Commissioner of Noida Special Economic Zone, Shri Bipin Menon ji, under whose leadership this vision continues to expand to deliver the welcome address. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. It's thanks to his vision, of course, combined by the Ministry of Commerce and everybody that we're here. Over to you, sir.
Thank you and good evening to you all. First of all, I profusely thank all of you for taking your valuable time and coming for this inauguration. Honorable Minister had an important meeting, so he is instructed that our chief guest, would be Mr. Vimal Anand, the Joint Secretary here. So it's our great honor and pleasure that Mr. Vimal Anand is here as part of the Department of Commerce for inaugurating this gate. And this is part of the infrastructural upgrades that we're carrying out in Noida SEZ. I have to appreciate the support of all the senior officers of the Department of Commerce, as well as all the units here who have played a very active role in this infrastructural upgrade. I also want to place on record the thanks to all the ideas in terms of brainstorming that we had with the other development commissioners and the other zones for getting ideas in terms of how to develop the infrastructure of this zone. It's a collective effort of everybody here, and it's also a tribute to the sacrifices that many of our predecessors made. Like Venkatesh was talking about 1985-86. People have told us that this place was pretty fragile in terms of security. People had to go back to Delhi. There was one bus coming in, and there was huge issues in terms of how they developed. So I have to pay tributes to those development commissioners, officers, and the customs officers at that point of time who made immense sacrifices to make Noida SEZ what it is today, and we are just taking that legacy forward here. I'm sure the infrastructure upgrades here would immensely benefit all the units here. You see the RCC roads that are here, these are basically intended to take in the heavy workload by heavy trucks and containers, which of course would be able to do only in this. The modern and glass-glazed welcome gate that we have with adequate sitting for the customs officers as well as the security staff is intended to basically make the monitoring effective. We don't want to stymie the entry and exit, but we want to effectively monitor the entry and exit because that's the way the zone should really look at. The visually appealing welcome gate that we have there, I think is a welcome to all the visitors to come in. And I hope it stands out here in this landscape of Noida. Many of us have told us, some of my colleagues who have just traveled along this Noida-Dadri road, when they saw this welcome gate, they were pretty impressed with that. So I hope that's a pretty good way of getting in. Also the pedestrian pathways, the murals that we have on the left side, showcasing the economic prowess of India and the good work that has been done by so many of the units here, whether it be services and whether it be manufacturing, I think is a bold testament to this. The customs examination that place that we had, I think, has served its intent because I guess, my discussions with the customs officers here is that the dwell time has gone down, and I hope it has facilitated the trade here. We are looking at some additional infrastructural upgrades. You would see things like a new office building that's coming here. We're planning to make a multi-purpose conference room, including an exhibition center. You can use it for your buyer-seller meets too. We are looking at utility providers coming in. We are also looking at additional office space. Additional parking has been one of the hassles here. We're trying to look at how we can get into the parking aspect and how we can increase the parking areas. We've already done that in a number of areas. And we are immensely thankful to the Honorable Commerce Minister for having told us about this Amrit Kal 2047 vision. It's in line of that we have taken out a booklet on Amrit Kal 2047 vision of Noida SEZ. This document would be available publicly. I'm not going into details of that, but we are looking at something business-friendly, futuristic SEZ, where we have a number of facilities, including the latest access controls, the standard design factories, even a utilities regulatory board that we are planning. I'm sure all of you would go through that and give us more ideas and see how we can take this vision of the Honorable Minister forward. Finally, I think I'd close my remarks here saying that I'd like to thank all of you. The fact remains that ever since I've come into this SEZ, I've seen the exports going up despite the grave circumstances, the global upsides and downs that we have in the geopolitical world, the freight costs going up, the wars that are happening. Despite that, I think the units are done exceptionally well, and we have been seeing a rise in our merchandise exports and our services on a regular basis over the last 3 to 4 years. I commend all of you. We are just here as facilitators. We are just passing off after a few years here and there. We go to other places for posting, but it's you guys who are the core aspect of this particular zone. And I really want to thank you all for this. I hope whatever we have done as facilitators here would help you to increase your exports, help you to attract buyers coming in here, investors coming in here, and of course, potential units coming in here. Thank you, all of you. Have a great day, and hopefully we do well in the future. Thanks.
Thank you so much, sir, for those wonderful opening remarks. And I think we would now actually move on and play the audio-video film that that has been put together so that you could actually appreciate the work that has gone on. It still doesn't do justice to what the task is that has been undertaken here, but you'll get a glimpse. So can we have the AV, please?
नोएडा विशेष आर्थिक क्षेत्र, वैश्विक व्यापार और निवेश का प्रवेश द्वार। SEZ देश की तरक्की के इंजन है। यहां आपको आयात निर्यात में सीमा शुल्क एवं GST से छूट मिलती है। यहां सरल प्रक्रियाओं के साथ शीघ्र अनुमोदन भारत सरकार के ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस के ध्येय को साकार करता है। 172.24 बिलियन डॉलर के निर्यात के साथ भारत के कुल निर्यात का 21% योगदान करते हुए विशेष आर्थिक क्षेत्र SEZ एक्सपोर्ट्स बढ़ाते हैं, रोजगार देते हैं, निवेश लाते हैं और बिजनेस को आसान बनाते हैं। भारत में 7 जोनल DC ऑफिसेज हैं। उत्तर भारत के 34 SEZ नोएडा SEZ के क्षेत्राधिकार में आते हैं, जो 7 राज्यों एवं 4 केंद्र शासित प्रदेशों में फैला हुआ है। डेल, IBM, बोइंग, सैमसंग, इन्फोसिस, TCS जैसी ग्लोबल कंपनियां यहां सफलता से चल रही हैं। 2024-25 में यहां से कुल निर्यात 14.2 बिलियन डॉलर रहा है, जहां कुल रोजगार 0.6 मिलियन और निवेश 7.2 बिलियन डॉलर से ज्यादा है। 310 एकड़ में फैला नोएडा SEZ, जिसमें 202 प्लॉट्स, 14 SDF और 262 फुली ऑपरेशनल इकाइयां हैं। यहां का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अब विश्व स्तरीय बन चुका है। यहां आपको समर्पित कस्टम विभाग, रेडी SDF, स्मार्ट यूटिलिटीज, 24/7 पावर, सिक्योरिटी सर्वेलेंस और ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव्स के साथ मिलती है। ग्रोथ के लिए पूरी तैयारी।
The inauguration of new projects marks a pivotal role that will empower industries and attract investments. It will further strengthen the role of NSEZ in facilitating global trade.
We are greatly benefited by our government's policy of single window expedited support, as it helps and positions us to serve a global market.
एक बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज यहाँ पे है कि कस्टम्स यहाँ पे हैं, यहीं पे सब क्लियर हो जाता है, बाहर नहीं जाना पड़ता है। यहाँ पे जितने भी इश्यूज हैं सारे 1 पर्सन डेवलपमेंट कमिश्नर के थ्रू हो जाते हैं, सिंगल पॉइंट। उसको चारों तरफ घूमना नहीं पड़ता है।
Is the strategic location and the connectivity with the NCR regions. Industry focus approach and the availability of the blue collar workforce also. Export benefit and the many other benefits that we get when we are working in NSEZ. It's a mix of IT, manufacturing and the trading setup, which give us a 24/7 safe working environment where we can work and enjoy.
आज अपने नए गेटवे के साथ NSEZ दुनिया के लिए और भी बड़ा अवसर बन रहा है। 1985 से चला आ रहा ये जोन निवेश और व्यापार के लिए भरोसेमंद नाम है।
The infrastructural upgrades that we are carrying out in the short term right now are intended to make the zone business friendly and investment friendly in order to attract new customers as well as suppliers and buyers who would like to visit the zone. However, as we step into a longer term vision, we are looking at the Amrit Kaal vision of the Government of India, where the vision is to make NSEZ into a bold and future ready zone. We are exploring a number of initiatives such as the creation of a new smart standard design factory, a business facilitation complex, and a skill development center for manufacturing excellence. There are a number of green initiatives in the pipeline, a smart multi-level parking, creation of a utilities regulatory board, having advanced access control systems, and a financial ecosystem that will have the latest financial instruments and projects. These forward-looking ideas encapsulate the foundation of our Vision 2047 and is intended to make Noida SEZ into a world-class hub for global trade, innovation and investment.
Make in India, export from India, invest in India's future. Noida SEZ, जहां से शुरू होता है ग्लोबल बिजनेस।
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed the film that has showcased the infrastructure redevelopment that is taking place. And that visual journey captures not just the structures, but the aspirations of the entire units and the zone in the Noida Special Economic Zone. Well, now it's time to unveil a landmark document, the table book NSEZ Amritkal Vision 2047, a comprehensive roadmap, a symbol of intent and tribute to India's commitment to becoming a global economic force by 2047. May I now invite our the dignitaries and our guest of honor here, the Joint Secretary Shri Vimal Anand, to kindly unveil the book. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 2047, many of us may or may not be around, but as our beloved DC, Shri Bipin Menonji said, it's laying the foundation for a brighter tomorrow. And that's exactly what it is. Amritkal 2047. This is for all of us and for the generations to come. Thank you so much for doing the honors. And now we arrive at the moment which carries a lot of symbolic resonance. The welcome gate at NSEZ isn't just an entry point. It's a gateway to possibility, to trade, and to India's global promise. We now invite our Honorable Chief Guest, our Joint Secretary, Shri Vimal Anandji, to kindly press the remote and unveil and do the honors with a virtual ribbon cutting, although we're still here, but we're using technology here. A big round of applause. This is a momentous occasion. It should not stop. All the people behind there, आप सब प्लीज तालियां आपकी यहां तक सुनाई देनी चाहिए। ये आप ही के लिए है। Fantastic. Beautiful. Just below the line. Make in India, make for the world. That's the mantra. Can I request everybody to please join us for the photo opportunity, please? A big smile from everybody, this side of the camera and that side of the camera. Fantastic. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Thank you everybody for taking out the time. यहाँ सबका आने के लिए और पधारने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. हृदय से धन्यवाद to all the dignitaries and especially Joint Secretary Shri Vimal Anandji for taking out the time and coming here, and all of the NSEZ extended family here for coming. Please do join us for the refreshments which are on both the sides, I believe. Please आप refreshments ज़रूर लें, enjoy करें, and आप कल से यहाँ पे आएंगे तो you'll get a complete view from gate number 1, gate number 2. I guess all of them will be open. That's what I think it is. So I would also like to call upon our guest of honor here, Shri Vimal Anandji, to kindly come and cut the ribbon as well for the gate. I know it's a walk back, and all the other dignitaries as well. Vipin Menon ji, Surinder Malik ji, Kiran Mahadikar ji, and all the other dignitaries. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, एक बार फिर से अपने हाथों को थोड़ा यूज करें तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट के साथ में. Can we move this standing? Fantastic. It's a great step forward into Amrit Kaal 2047. I think it looks beautiful. Fantastic. Once again, big round of applause. And बहुत ही सुंदर गेट लग रहा है. The entrance, everything is looking fantastic. First roundabout, which all of you have seen, is the globe, which represents the global opportunity here at the Special Economic Zone. आप सब प्लीज रिफ्रेशमेंट्स की तरफ ज़रूर बढ़ें, अंदर भी जाएं, देखें, सराहें जो इतना सुंदर और भव्य इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर यहाँ पे डेवलप हो रहा है. So once again, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. As we draw to a close, a heartfelt gratitude to all the dignitaries, the partners, visionaries who have contributed to this bold new chapter of NSEZ.